All right, today we are going to talk about area. So, our learning target is I can find the area of a shape. Okay, yep, we're going to be talking about area. So, area is like the grass that covers your backyard. It is not the fence. When we talked about perimeter yesterday, we talked about how perimeter is like a fence because perimeter is the length around a shape. Well, area is the space um, that is covered. It's in the middle, I guess. So we're going to talk about the area. All right. So, like I said, it's kind of like the grass. All right, so area in Latin literally means a vacant piece of level ground. So, area is measured in square units. It is measured in the number of squares that it will take to cover it completely. So, think of it as like square tiles. Except when we're talking about grass, it would be square tiles of grass. Or whatever it is that you're calculating, it's always going to be in squares. It could be square inches, square feet, square miles, any of those things. To find the area of a four-sided figure, you're going to multiply the length times the width. For example, if you have a shape that is 3 meters by 15 meters, you would simply multiply 3 times 15. If you multiply those, you should get 45. But now we add SQ for square because we're calculating how many square meters, in this case, will cover an area. So that's why there's that SQ there. We don't just say 45 meters because we're measuring in squares. Good job. Okay, so now I want you to try this one so you can pause it and then check with me. So to find the area of this shape, we would simply do 8 times 8. This is actually a square. And hopefully, if you remember your math facts, 8 times 8 is 64. And it is yards, but we have to add SQ. If you forget the SQ for square, it would be wrong. You could write out the word square. That's fine. Or sometimes you might have seen a little number 2 in the air, like right where my cursor is. That also means square. And I think you'll use that more in 6th grade. But just in case you run across it. All right. Well done, you guys. Okay, let's try another one. Go ahead and pause and solve this one and check with me. So to solve this one, you would multiply 13 times 6. And when you do that, you would get 78 square inches. Oh, yeah, you would. Okay, I had to do some mental math. Make sure I was correct. Apparently, yesterday there was one problem where I was wrong. I'm blaming that on the baby because it has been a rough week, you guys. And it's only like the second day of the week. Oh my goodness. Toddlers and teething. That's all I can say. I need sleep. Okay, anyway, so 78 square inches. Easy peasy, right, guys? So make sure you're doing your multiplication correctly. Take your time and check your computation. Check your math. you could think this through. 10 times 6 is 60. 3 times 6 is 18. 60 plus 18 is 78. That's how I did it. Okay, guys, it's time for you to practice on your own. You can do it. Oh, is he the cutest little dog? Okay, it's easy peasy. I know you can do it. So let me show you. Oh, I forgot to change the end. Okay, anyway, we can use yesterday's. So I want to show you guys your assignment for today. Yesterday, I think I goofed when I assigned things. So hopefully it's assigned correctly today. So yesterday, I think I put the video as the assignment. You guys, I'm telling you, working from home and watching the 1-year-old. Oh, okay. Tomorrow will be a better day. All right, but this is what you're going to turn into me. So this Google slide should be assigned to you correctly. So first thing you always want to do is probably zoom it and then switch to your arrow. But you have 6 area problems. You're finding the area, okay? I left a clickable box where you can just type your answer. Don't forget to label it. Do you see how they wrote out square? You could just put SQ, okay? Now, base times height, you'll talk about that a lot in 5th grade. For our purposes, it's the same thing as length times width, okay? So they give you an example, then you're doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 problems. When you're done, click that little turn in button on Google Classroom, and I'm going to grade it, see how you did, okay? So if you didn't do yesterday's perimeter practice, please do that. Okay, I will be going through all those assignments and checking to see who is missing what. Probably Friday, I'm going to go through and Thursday or Friday and email parents missing work. So make sure you get it done. And guys, if you need help, don't even hesitate to email me, okay? When the baby takes a nap, I check my email and then I make you guys little videos to help you out if you need it. So that's what I'm here for. Okay. All right. So, yep, that's the end. Time to practice on your own. All right. Bye, guys.